In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your very own facial serum for sensitive and acne-prone skin. Do you know that commercial facial serums contain ingredients that can irritate sensitive skin and also cause breakouts on acne-prone skin? The ingredients to make this serum have been selected to suit acne-prone skin, and they will not clog pores because the oils in this product are non-comedogenic with a rating of 0. In today's video, you will learn to make this simple serum with only 4 ingredients. The first ingredient we're going to be measuring out will be hemp seed oil. 9 grams of hemp seed oil. Hemp seed oil is one of my favorite oils. It's very light, it is non-comedogenic, and it is rich in linoleic acid. It will not clog pores or irritate skin. Rather, it will reduce skin irritation, protect moisture loss, and maintain skin elasticity. And next, we are going to be adding sunflower oil. Yes, sunflower seed oil. This oil is great for sensitive and acne-prone skin because it is non-comedogenic with a rating of 0. It will not clog pores. It promotes wound healing and smooths out fine lines. The initial bottle that I was using was too small for my measurement, so I had to transfer the content to a bigger bottle. The second to the last ingredient for this product is Neossance Squalane. This ingredient is also non-comedogenic. It prevents water loss from skin and promotes hydration. This ingredient will make our product super hydrating for any dry skin. This ingredient also gives our product a non-greasy afterfeel. Last but not least, we will be adding vitamin E to our product to prevent it from becoming rancid quickly. So vitamin E is going to preserve the shelf life of our serum. And there you have it, your very own super hydrating oil-based serum for sensitive and acne-prone skin. This serum is very light, it is easily absorbed into the skin, and it will not clog your pores. Look at how beautiful and vibrant this serum is. I prefer this clear glass bottle, so I transferred the oil, the serum, back to the clear bottle. Thank you for watching my video, and please make sure you watch my other video where I show you how to make super hydrating rose aloe facial toner for sensitive and acne prone skin. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you. Bye.